Hi guys, welcome to this session on Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can use the lookup function to pull off a date that you did the fastest time on an exercise bike in this example, or fastest time running. So on the left, I've got the completed example where I have the fastest time and the slowest time at the top here and the date that I did the fastest time. So the fastest time in this first distance of 1 mile was 2:55, not running, on the bike, and I did that on the 10th of April 2025, and that's pulled that up there so I can see it. So on this side, I want to replicate the formulas that I've used. So first of all, to get the fastest time in there, I'm going to use the min function equals min. What's the minimum figure in this list? The times, but it's still a number. So highlight that list, press enter. That should bring back 2:55, which it does. That's the fastest time. The slowest time, I'm going to use the max function. So max, same list. Press enter. So that's the maximum time. And then the date that I did the minimum. I could do the date for the fastest, but I'm not going to. This is where the lookup function comes in. Now, this orange area here, I have named event. So that means I don't have to worry about dollar signs when I want to pull this across. These two, I can pull it across because they're just looking at the next columns. That's okay, but that works. 6:45. 6:45 is the slowest time. Now the lookup, not VLOOKUP, not HLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, just lookup goes like this. Equals lookup. Open the brackets. It's asking for a search key. That is that cell, the slowest, or the fastest, should I say, the fastest, comma. In this list, highlighting this list, comma. Now it's going to give me the vector of that. So basically, it's going to give me this, but I need to highlight or type. I can type it because I've named it. Event, puts it in there, press enter, and then it comes back with a 10th, as you can see there. I can pull that across without dollar signs because it's a named range, and then it will drop the others in there like so. So the 8th of April was the fastest time for 2 miles. You can see that there, 5:55, because it's picking it up from there. So the lookup is bringing back a vector based on an item. So that's all I want to talk about in this list. How to return a time based on a date or a date based on a time, and using the lookup function. So thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.